business, primarily in the machinery and technology, providing machinery and technology to the food producers across India. We cover all the segments of the food industry. We have our own manufacturing setup of machinery. We do our own development of machines, and we also are in the business of making some food products as well as a third-party operation. We are in this business for nearly 30 years, and we are now in this platform to seek more opportunities.
Hi, my name is Raghav. I'm working as a director with Kanchan Metals. Our global vision is to obviously expand our business to territories outside of India. As my father said, we are in the equipment manufacturing industry primarily, and we want to expand the global footprint of our made in India food processing equipment to all over the world. So this is our first time at this event, and we are exploring the opportunities which this event proposes. We are looking forward to connecting with different founders from different industries and try to learn from them and try to strike some strategic alliances, and also understand from DGEMS how to do business outside of India, how to break the border boundaries and expand our global footprint.
Yeah, you see, basically it's networking, trying to understand of similar goals of companies having similar goals, and how has been their experience or how are they strategizing it. And this exchange of ideas and exchange of interactions will be very helpful to make our own strategies and try to leap into the globalization of our business. Thank you.